Other day, my friends and I went out for pizza. I was overwhelmed by the sheer variety of pizza toppings offered at the restaurant. Suddenly it hit me. How many different kinds of mutual funds are there? I bet there are more than pizza toppings. Let's break them down. To begin with, there are 4 types of mutual funds: equity, debt, hybrid, liquid, etc. Let's take a look at them one by one. Equity mutual funds. These mutual funds invest primarily in shares of companies and are considered slightly risky. The next category is debt mutual funds. These funds invest in fixed income instruments like corporate bonds, government bonds, money market instruments, etc. These are considered lesser risky than the equity class. The third category is hybrid mutual fund. As the name suggests, hybrid mutual funds invest in both equity and debt, keeping the investor's portfolio balanced, a mix that aims for balance between risk and return. Now let's take a look at the fourth category, which is liquid fund. If you want to keep your money accessible at any time, liquid funds is a great option. They invest in short-term instruments with lower risk. As you can see, mutual funds are divided into various types, but they may enhance your wealth over time. Stay tuned and I will be dealing with each of these types in my next video. Till then, stay healthy, keep smiling. Bye-bye.
Mutual fund investments are subject to market risks. Read all scheme-related documents carefully.